Hi guys, my name is Luke from Dynamic Creative. Today, we're going to look at setting a goal for your digital advertising. Before you start spending your advertising dollars, you need to know what it is you hope to achieve. Not setting an advertising goal is like going to battle without knowing your enemy. Every decision you take should be in pursuit of achieving that goal. So today, I'm going to briefly talk about why that goal should be revenue. Some of you will ask, hang on, isn't return on ad spend or ROAS the goal of my advertising? Well, by making ROAS your goal, you might actually restrict your opportunity for growth. Think about it like this. Would you rather spend $100 and get a 10-to-1 or $1,000 and achieve a 5-to-1? The first scenario gets you a $900 profit contribution, whereas the second gets you $4,000. Having a better ROAS does not always equate to more revenue. The next question you need to ask is, how can you measure campaign efficiency if not by ROAS? Well, advertisers will often say, wouldn't it be great if we could increase our ad spend and improve ROAS at the same time? Well, yes it would. So what can we optimize towards to achieve that? The answer is ad quality. Ad quality is Google's measure of how well your ads serve a customer, and they take into account 3 key metrics: ad relevance, expected click-through rate percentage, and landing page experience. If you improve these ad quality metrics, you'll reduce your CPC, increase your return on ad spend, and as such, improve your revenue. You're not sacrificing clicks and traffic by aiming for a higher ROAS, you're improving your ad quality to reduce the cost of the clicks that you are getting. Ad quality and its metrics can be seen at a keyword level. There, you can see your campaign efficiencies and where you can improve. So let me summarize. Your goal should always be revenue. Return on ad spend is a metric that can show the effectiveness of your budget. A higher budget with a lower ROAS can return more revenue, and you should optimize towards ad quality metrics to improve your campaign efficiencies. If you need help improving your ad quality metrics, Dynamic Creative can help. Our ad platform takes ad relevance off the table by creating highly relevant long-tail search ads from your website data. If you want to know more or have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below or contact us today at dynamiccreative.com.